I have received my ByBit card, which you're able to go and see over here. And I want to go and tell you a little bit how it works, what it is, and is it good or bad. So let's say we jump straight onto the laptop, guys. And the first thing first is here you got your dashboard. You have it both on your mobile phone as well as in the website. And this is how it looks. So you got two cards to start off. You got your physical one, as you see that you can swap, and your online one, which is the one that you get before you get the physical one. So before you receive this one, which is the physical one, you have one that is already activated over online that you can use here on the ByBit website. And let's go and look at a few things that are nice and why, if you are a crypto bro or somebody into the crypto space, you could definitely make something out of it. So first of all, we got a selection of items that will give you a 10% cashback. This means that if you go and spend $100, you receive 10 back. Basically, you get a 10% discount on everything. And straight to the point here, yes, we got up to $300 in spending. So an item that costs $300, that's the max you can spend. It's not that if you go and buy a house for $1 million, they will send you back $100,000. No, it works to a total limit. And you also have a 100% rebate on selected partners such as Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingViews, which I know you do utilize. If you click over here, by the way, you will find all the links to go to this one down in the description below. You will see also more information about the rewards. You got trading boosters as well, digital merchandise and physical merchandise, as well as enjoying the rebates, which is 100% on Spotify, Netflix, Prime, TradingView, and ChatGPT. And here you have all the different lists on how to go and connect with them. Then another thing, and I'm sure, by the way, this one, some of you utilize it, at least one of these, 100%, everybody that is watching right now. And here we see an example, which, by the way, how do you get your cashback? As we said, you go, you tap your card into the machine, you utilize, and by the way, you also can put it into the Apple Pay, which is straight from, it's super easy to go and do it with Apple Pay. I have it over on my phone. You get your cashback in USDT. And this doesn't mean that you need to spend USDT to go and get the cashback. You can spend different assets. As we see over here, you will also have the possibility to go and check everything here, the limits and the paying wave. You have the tab over on your personal dashboard. So once you sign up, you will see this exact same thing, which here gives you a possibility to go and check how much money you've got, the spending power, etc. But when you're paying with, you can go and pay up to 8 cryptocurrency at a time, which means that if you got any of these 8 in your funding wallet, you will be assets in flexible saving will also be deducted. So this is funding wallet and flexible savings. You can pay if you got USDT laying around or USDC, Mantle, Ton, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and BNB. So these are all the tokens that if you got them in your wallet, you will be able to go and pay for it, which means if you, for example, have Chainlink or Solana and you want to go and pay with that, you're not able to pay with your ByBit card with those assets. These are the only assets. And then you can also go over here to the, for example, let's take out Mantle, other available assets. You will see here that it is Mantle. So you can take them on and off. But these are the 8 one. And what does it mean for your balance? Well, for your balance, it means that if you got it over here, for example, on your asset, and I do have, for example, $533 right now, but my assets are in what? They are in FET, which we're able to go and see over here, the FET coin. Now, this one, I'm not able to go and pay them. I'm not able to go and pay with them by tapping the card. I need to have one of the other assets. The good thing is that you don't need to do much about it. So if you go and spend, let's say, $10 with your card, and you go and pay with one of the assets, for example, Ethereum, let's say that we have it, it simply deducts from the total allocation for the total amounts that you have, it deducts $10 worth of the token. So whether you go USDC, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all the others we've seen, you will have the deduction of that directly to your card. And does it work everywhere? Well, we see here that you can go virtually. It works with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. You have up to 8% APRs on your ideal funds. There is free card insurance. There is no annual fee. So to receive the card is free. If you do have the VIP pass, which we do have over here, which we have it, you have the free worldwide delivery for the ByBit card. And also we got your first 100 USDT free every month, every single time that you can withdraw 100 US dollar to the equivalent value for each month. And then there will be a 2% fee applied to that on what you go and cash out. As we see here, there is the possibility, super simple, create the ByBit, verify the personal information because they need to send it to you, of course, and you will be able to go and receive this card. So how have I found myself so far, and has it been any problem with it? Well, as of right now, I had no problem with it. I go to the grocery store. Okay, I'm not the type of guy that goes and buy a car or a Range Rover and be like, hey, yeah, take my ByBit card. No, I'm talking about realistic things over here. I go to the grocery store, I tap it, absolutely no problem. I go to the market, I tap it at the market, it goes, and it is very, very good to go and do. And as we see over here, why do I mean I tap it? Well, because it is contactless, as we're able to go and see here. If you do not have it with you, it doesn't matter. Go on the Apple Pay, go on the Google Pay. You will have the possibility to go and utilize. So as of right now, which I had it for a little bit, not a lot of time, as you're able also to see here with the funding, you've also been able to see it before, how much money I had. I haven't used it to buy a car, nor I haven't used it to buy a Ferrari. I've used it for simple daily transaction like me and you, we both do. We both go and buy toilet paper at the store. We both go and buy pasta at the store. So I used it for the simple, as well as restaurants, as well as shopping. Like if I need a jumper, you can easily go with that with the money that you have funded in your ByBit account. So overall, really, really happy with the card so far. And if you wish, as I said, the link will be down below. Make sure to go and grab yours and let me know your experience with it in the comments below. Ciao, guys.